Welcome to the new era of smart manufacturing. By integrating simulation, automation, and intelligent, Moldex3D 2025 unlocks the potential of manufacturing efficiency and product quality. From meshing, flow analysis, and warpage prediction, Moldex3D continues to provide powerful functionality support and more accurate result, maximizing your design and verification capabilities through simulation. We also streamline the workflow. Whether it's automatically creating projects, assisting in deriving optimal molding parameters, or customizing simulation processes, we free you from repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more valuable work. AI is changing the world, and now is the time to embrace smart manufacturing and create a new competitive edge. With Moldex3D's extensive application experience and the valuable intellectual assets you have accumulated, we help you activate data for more efficient product development, design, and knowledge transfer, solving problems with no time delay. Let intelligence drive design, and let Moldex3D 2025 shape a new possibility for smart manufacturing. Join us now and explore a more intelligent future. Moldex3D 2025, Molding Intelligence.